Hello, how to solve 2 power t equals t power 32. We start by eliminating this t here. We want variables to be one side. We have 2 power t raised to the power of 1 over t equals t power 32 raised to the power of 1 over t. A power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times n. We multiply this and this. We have 2 power t over t equals t power 32 times 1, 32 divided by t. Let's cancel this, so we have 2 equals t power 32 divided by t. We can also eliminate 32, so we raise this to the power of 1 over 32. We raise this to the power of 1 over 32. So from here, we have 2 power 1 over 32 equals t power 32 times 1, 32 divided by 32t. 32 cancel 32. Then we have 2 power 1 over 32 equals t power 1 over 2. 32 different, here t and t is same. So let's make this 2 and 32 to be the same. We make use of equivalent fractions. 1 over 32 is the same thing as 2 over 64. Because 2 cancel itself once, cancel 64, 32. So I have 2 power 2 over 64 equals t power 1 over t. From here, I can factor out 2. I have 2 power 2 times 1 over 64 equals t power 1 over t. I can have 2 power 2 raised to the power of 1 over 64 equals t power 1 over t. So from here, 2 power 2, this is 4 power 1 over 64 equals t power 1 over t. 1 over 64 is the same thing as 2 over 128. I have 4 power 2 over 128 equals t power 1 over t. I factor out 2. I have 4 power 2 times 1 over 128 equals t power 1 over t. I have 4 power 2 raised to the power of 1 over 128 equals t power 1 over t. 4 power 2 is 16. I have 16 power 1 over 128 equals t power 1 over t. I can also replace 1 over 128 with 2 over 256. I have 16 power 2 over 256 equals t power 1 over t. I factor out 2. I have 16 power 2 times 1 over 256 equals t power 1 over t. 16 power 2 that's 256 raised to the power of 1 over 256 equals t power 1 over t. If you have a power 1 over a equals b power 1 over b, then 1 over a equals 1 over b. You cross multiply, a equals b. So if you have 1 over 256 equals 1 over t, cross multiply, t times 1, I have t equals 256. So that means our t is 256. Next thing to do is to substitute the value here back and check. 2 power 256 equals 256 power 32. 2 power 256, I can express it as what? 8 times 32, right? So I can easily have 8 times 32, that is the same thing as 256, because 8 times 2, 16, 6 carry over 1, 8 times 3, 24, 24 plus 1, 25, so that is it, equals 256 power 32. Now don't forget the fact that I can express this as 2 power 8 power 32 equals 256 power 32. 2 power 8, this is 256 power 32 equals 256 power 32. Left hand side equals right hand side, or correct. So guys, this is how you can actually solve this exponential problem. The first step, eliminate this t. After that, eliminate x2 so that all the variables will be in one part and the numbers will be in the other part. So you are going to be left with this. And once you eliminate the t and the 32, you are going to be left with this particular equation. So this is where you are going to be left with. Now, after this, you discover that the 2 at the base is different from this 32, while the t here is the same as this. So you need to ensure that this and this are the same. So you make use of equivalent fractions. Replace 1 over 32 with 2 over 64. Then you factor out 2 and have 2 power 2, in which we have 4 power 1 over 64. Still, the 4 is not the same as 64. You replace 1 over 64 with 2 over 128. Then you factor out 2. And still yet, you are still going to have 16 here, which is not the same as 128. You replace 128, 1 over 128 with 2 over 256. And that will make you to, if you factor out 2, you are going to have 16 power 2 times 1 over 256. And 16 power 2 is the same thing as 256. So at this point, this and this are not the same, this and this are not the same. So we compare the exponent using this identity, and our t becomes 256. If you insert that back into the equation, your left-hand side of the equation will equal the right-hand side. So that was exactly what we did here. We expressed 256 as product of 8 and 32. You can also express this here, 256 here, as product of 8 and 32. At the end, this will be the same as this. You can do that and drop it on the comment box, but I needed to use the left-hand side here by expressing 256 as 8 and 32, 8 times 32. So at the end, we have this right here. So guys, this is how you can actually solve this exponential equation, and that is it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.